Welcome back to our channel.
Hey guys, I'm Kathy.
I'm Lulu.
And I'm Donna.
And today, we are going to listen to Aha Crying in the Rain. And this was a priority request from Carrie. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Carrie.
And this was on
Oh, no, it was Patreon.
This was on Patreon. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I don't know if we've heard Crying in the Rain yet, have we?
I don't think so.
No.
I love Aha, though.
Yeah.
He has a beautiful voice.
Oh, my goodness. Yes, you can't get much prettier than his voice. But, no, I don't think we've heard this song.
What about you?
I have not.
Okay. So this one is brand new to all three of us. Let's go ahead and get started. This is Aha, Crying in the Rain.
Og det på tide å begynne, på tide å fortsette.
I'll never let you see the way my broken heart is hurting me. I've got my pride and I know how to hide all my sorrow and pain. I'll do my crying in the rain. If I wait for stormy skies, you won't know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You'll never know that I still love you so. Only heartaches remain. I'll do my crying in the rain. Raindrops falling from heaven could never take away my misery. Since we're not together, I pray for stormy weather to hide these tears I hope you'll never see. Someday when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but till then, darling, you'll never see me complain. I'll do my crying in the rain. Since we're not together.
I'll tell you,
Oh,
he can sing.
He has
That song
a
is
gorgeous voice. Every single
He's gorgeous. He's like drop dead gorgeous. I'm not kidding.
You know, he's still good.
I'm not kidding.
he is a good-looking man.
He
Even
is
now.
even like that little that tuff he has up at the front. Ooh,
Well, that was the style.
That was the
I
style
know.
with his little sweatband.
I know he's super cute.
But he's still an attractive looking man now.
Well,
The last
you-
video that we
The
saw.
newer video,
Mhm.
yes.
but that wow, he's handsome.
But I'll tell you, his voice is just,
His hair's handsome
Really?
too. He's pretty.
really, there's just not much more I can say about his voice. I mean, it's just absolutely like butter.
Yeah,
I
it's
say
one
it
that
every
we can
time.
listen to just all the time. Oh,
I mean, it's just as smooth as butter. I just don't know what else you would say about a voice like his.
this is a great group. I like how they are showcasing the guitarist in this as well.
Yes. They don't do that quite often, but on this one they are, and I like
This
it.
is a beautiful song. It about made me cry. It's a beautiful song, and he is very pretty. Oh my goodness, he's really pretty. I'm just gonna stop watching Aha.
Let's go ahead and finish it off.
Together, I pray for stormy weather to hide these tears. I hope you will never see. Someday when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but till then, darling, you'll never see me complain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain.
That
Just-
was a beautiful song with a pretty person singing it.
Yeah, it was a beautiful song.
This is a fantastic group. Every single time we see them, it's just
I
amazing.
know. He's always flawless. I mean, he never, I mean, it's just great. I love listening to him.
And I did really like the guitarist in this as well.
Yeah, it just an overall great band.
And because I do really like how they
Yeah.
showcased him. Because in most of them, it you don't really see most of the band. If you have any other suggestions for any more of Aha,
Drop it down in the comments. We would love to listen to it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Helps the channel a bunch and it's totally free. If you'd like to see the original video watch today, that's in our script rectangle, along with our Buy Me a Coffee, our P.O. Box, our social media, and our Amazon wish list, which we, if you like to check it out, we appreciate it. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, and we also do not do, just as a reminder, we do not do any priority requests or super chat on YouTube. Thank you so much.
And as always, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.